Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring the mesh and textures are ready, then perform the first bake to capture surface detail. Check UVs for overlaps and consistent textile density. If UVs are wrong, paint will misalign. Once the bake finishes, inspect AO and curvature maps for artifacts. These guides drive paint projection and masks. Make sure ray distances and cage settings match the mesh thickness, because incorrect values produce leaking or missing paint. Next, you align painting tools to the baked maps so paint obeys surface detail. Use curvature to isolate edges and normals to drive brush orientation. This prevents flat, unrealistic strokes. If UV seams remain visible, switch to triplanar or use the position map to project without seams. It blends across islands. While painting, adjust brush falloff and projection scale to match textile density, so strokes retain consistent sharp. Finally, you bake the integrated maps and inspect the model for seams and leaks, then fix remaining issues. Trim or dilate texture edges and add padding to prevent visible bleeding at UV borders. These small steps avoid artifacts in game engines. If you see paint leaking or missing patches, rebake with an adjusted cage or reduced ray distance and reapply projections selectively. This corrects misaligned sampling and restores accurate paint placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.